હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, વેલકમ ટુ આઇલ્સ ઇન ગુજરાતી. મારું નામ મિલન છે અને આજે આપણે +2 રૂલની વાત કરશું. સો લેટ્સ બિગિન. What is the +2 rule when it comes to speaking in IELTS? It is a very simple rule. Whatever you speak, you need to add two more sentences to support your first sentence. Okay? સીધી ભાષામાં કહું તો એક વાક્ય બોલ્યા પછી એ વાક્યને લાગતું વળગતું બીજા બે સેન્ટેન્સ બોલવાના. That is our +2 rule. કારણ કે તમે IELTS સ્પીકિંગ માટે જ્યારે જાઓ છો, when you go for IELTS speaking test, they will ask only one question. In that one question, you have to answer a lot of things. Okay? For example, when the speaking test begins, the first section of the speaking test, they will ask very casual questions. તમને first section માં એકદમ casual questions પૂછવામાં આવશે. જેમ કે what is your name? What do you do? Are you a student or are you a working professional? Okay, if you say student, okay, what are you studying? Why did you choose science stream over any other? Where do you live? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite movie? What do you think about current situation in the world? Okay, એવા બધા questions પૂછવામાં આવે. They are normal casual questions. The main idea behind asking those questions is that you get to talk more freely with the examiner and get comfortable. Okay? Nervous થવાની જરૂર નથી. આ question simple એટલે હોય કે તમે થોડા comfortable થઈ જાઓ. Okay? આપણે KBC તો બધાને ખબર હશે. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, right? The first set of questions asked by the host Amitabh Bachchan are very generic normal questionnaire. They are used so that the applicant, or we should say the other party, gets more comfortable answering those and gets comfortable with the environment. Okay, so the participant gets comfortable. That's why they ask these questions. In the same way, in IELTS test, the first section is casual question. So when they ask you what is your favorite color, you will say my favorite color is blue. Okay, you said one statement in English. Now add minimum two more statements. You will say, I have so much liking for blue color that in my wardrobe there are at least 10 pairs with shades of blue. I even have my favorite cup, which is blue in color. I love the ocean. Perhaps that is why I like blue color the most. The color also helps me calm myself, because blue, as we know, is a soothing color. Huh? Two sentences minimum, but we spoke like 4 to 5 sentences. Okay, don't go beyond 5 sentences. That is another tip. Okay, these are casual questionnaires. You are supposed to answer in 2 to 5 sentences only. Don't start answering more than 5 sentences. Okay, more sentences you say, the more chances of getting an error. Okay? તો ઓછા સેન્ટેન્સ બોલો પણ બરાબર ગ્રામેટિકલી કરેક્ટ બોલો. ઓકે, ચલો, લેટ્સ મૂવ ઓન. Simple question. Where do you live? Okay. Take a minute, think about the answer. You pause here, speak one sentence, and add minimum of 2, maximum of 5 supporting sentences. So, where do you live? If I have to answer, I will say, I live in a 2-bedroom apartment. My apartment is located on the 19th floor of a high-rise building. It is situated in the suburb of the city, which is beneficial because it's very calm and peaceful out there, much far away from the hustling and bustling of the city. In my opinion, living in a high-rise apartment is beautiful because I get to see the bird's eye view of the city's landscape. And in the early mornings with the sunrise, the golden rays of the sun falling in my balcony and covering the whole city in golden light is mesmerizing. That's it. Whatever I said is little more than your minimum 2 and maximum 5, okay? But you get the idea. So, here are some of the sentences which I wrote for you to help with. Okay? I live in a 2-bedroom apartment. Now, the first supporting sentence. It is located in suburb area of the city, which makes it very calm and peaceful place as compared to hustling, bustling of the city. There aren't many high rises in the vicinity. Thus, my apartment is at 19th floor, gives a bird's eye view of the beautiful landscape of the city. Now, apart from this, I added the sunrise angle to this. I said there is a sunrise, golden light hitting my balcony, and golden light covering the entire city. Makes it mesmerizing. Okay? એવું બધા sentences તમે લખી શકો, બોલી શકો. Right? આ બધા sentences લખવાના. If you write, your mind will automatically start saving those nice words in your English vocabulary. આપણે નાનપણમાં સ્કૂલમાં ખબર છે ને વર્ડ્સ લખાવે 5 વાર લખો 10 વાર લખો શું કામ કારણ કે એક રીતના તમારા માઇન્ડમાં એ સ્ટિક થઈ જાય. Okay? So write these sentences and speak. Okay? IELTS સ્પીકિંગ ટેસ્ટ છે પણ આપણે થોડુંક લખશું તો આવું બધું યાદ રહેશે. Alright. બીજી વસ્તુ એ જે મેં પહેલા પણ પ્રીવિયસ વિડીયોઝમાં કીધેલી છે. જે લોકોને પ્રીવિયસ વિડીયોઝ ન જોયા હોય તો એના લિંક્સ આ ચેનલ પરથી જ મળી જશે. ઇવન નીચે ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં હું મૂકીશ. The most important thing is કે તમારે સાચું બોલવું જરૂરી નથી. Okay? તમારે ખાલી ઇંગ્લિશ બોલવાનું છે. સાચું કે ખોટું does not matter. Okay? જેમ કે where do you live? મેં લખ્યું, મેં બોલ્યું, I live in a 2-bedroom apartment. Okay? But the truth is I don't live in a 2-bedroom apartment. હું તો એક ટેનામેન્ટમાં રહું છું. Okay? 3-bedroom apartmentમાં રહું છું. So it does not matter. Okay? સાચું બોલવાની જરૂર નથી. જે પણ બોલો પ્રોપર ઇંગ્લિશ ગ્રામરમાં બોલો અને કોન્ફિડન્ટથી બોલો. Okay? That is more important. ને હું કોઈ 19th ફ્લોર પર તો રહેતો નથી. ઓકે, તો એ એક બીજું ખોટું છે. But the idea is you speak in English comfortably. ચાલો, next question. Which mode of public transport do you prefer? Why? Okay, why નથી, but to supporting sentences જે બોલશો એ આપણે why ના લીધે બોલશું. So video અહીંયા pause કરી દો, take a minute and try to answer. Alright, which mode of public transport do you prefer? I prefer to travel by bus in the city. There is already too much of traffic due to people having their personal vehicles on the road. Bus is very comfortable journey for me. Also, the bus stop is just a stone throw away from my place, which makes it even beneficial to me. Simple two sentences. Okay? Now this is what someone would say. I prefer a bus ride as compared to other means. The bus stop is a stone throw away from where I live. In addition, it gives me convenience while commuting to work. I can read a book, listen to music, or just sit back and enjoy the ride. Alright? That's it. +2 rule. एक सेंटेंस बोलो, બે સેન્ટેન્સ મિનિમમ એડ કરો, maximum of 5. Okay, no more than that. Ciao. So keep practicing this rule and we will meet again in our next class. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please click like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Have a nice day.